What's going on, guys? This is a video I've been looking forward to making for a long time. Back when the Apple HomePod was launched a couple of years ago, I really wanted one. Two things put me off. One, I thought the price was a little expensive, and two, I thought the unit was a little big. Well, now Apple have rectified that and they have released the HomePod Mini. This little fella is going to change my life. It is a device I've been waiting for ages. I cannot wait to get this open and set up. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So Apple announced the HomePod Mini a few weeks ago, and it is something I've been waiting for a long time. The HomePod Mini is a smaller version of the Apple HomePod, coming in at roughly about, there we go, half the size of the original. This little fella is just over 3 inches tall. I think it's about 3.5 inches tall, and it is light. It's about half the weight of the original Apple HomePod. Are you going to open? There we go. There we go. Apple HomePod Mini. Look at that. Just love Apple. The smell of an Apple product when it's new is amazing. So we've got the HomePod Mini, as you can see here. Not much to unbox, that is pretty much it. But on the top there, we've got plus and minus so we can adjust the volume. And this little fella is going to look amazing in front of my TV. It can be paired with a second HomePod to give you an immersive stereo sound. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to be placing an Apple Store order for a second one very soon. Little Apple logo on the bottom there. And that is the HomePod Mini. USB-C, as Apple are now heading USB-C with all of their products. And look at that. This little fella is amazing. I am told the sound on this thing is amazing, so we're going to test that out very soon. We'll see what else is in the box though. So in here we have got instructions, the traditional Apple sticker, and we have got an Apple brick for powering that bad boy, which again, that stands to reason, is USB-C. So that is pretty much it. That's all you get in the box. Let's get this powered up. So of course the Apple HomePod Mini is compatible with all current Apple products, and Siri is built into it. So Siri will learn you, and indeed all of your... I'm tying this into a knot. That's never a good thing. Siri will learn who you are, and it will also learn who your family members are as well, and it will tailor whatever you do to it. So right, let's find some power. There's a socket down here. Oh, look at that! That sounds awesome. HomePod Mini on my phone prompted me straight away to set it up. So we will set up our HomePod Mini. Center the HomePod in the frame. That sounds awesome. It's now setting my HomePod up. So of course this is compatible with Apple Music. It's also compatible with all of your other Apple services, so Apple Home, so on and so forth. It is very light. It really is light. It looks bloody amazing. It will also link up to your Apple TV as well, which is what I'm going to be testing in a minute, because I really do want to get this set up and use with my
I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod.
Thank you, Siri.
You can't tell, but I'm waving. Let's get started. Say, hey Siri, what can you do?
Hey Siri, what can you do? Okay.
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, hey Siri, play some music.
Hey Siri, play some music.
Just a moment. Sure, here's some music picked just for you.
What's she gonna play for me?
think in the road.
Hey Siri, pause. Probably better not play too much. Don't want to get a copyright strike. But that sounds amazing. Hey Siri, play Aerosmith.
Now playing Aerosmith.
Hey Siri, play Taylor Swift.
One moment. Okay, here's Taylor Swift.
Hey Siri, pause. Siri, play the James Bond theme.
James Bond theme by London Symphony Orchestra now playing.
That gets loud. Hey Siri, pause music. That sounds absolutely amazing for such a small device. So the HomePod Mini is in its new home, and pretty soon it will be joined by a buddy so that I can get that superb stereo sound. A couple of things I didn't touch on earlier is the HomePod Mini also has 4 microphones built into it, so even when you've got the music blaring out loud, when you ask Siri something, it will always hear you. So pretty cool there, and a price point of £99 here in the UK. Absolutely fantastic. It is well under half the price of the original Apple HomePod, and so far after using it for a couple of days, I'm absolutely thrilled with it, and yeah, can't wait to get a second one up and running in the house, and who knows, maybe one in some of the other rooms in the house too. So thanks very much for watching. Please give a big thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you're either new to the channel or if you haven't done so already, and that way I can see you really soon for another video. Thanks for watching. Waterfall out.